Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to be homeless? Do you know someone who is constrained by housing costs? A family member, a neighbor, a friend? Through our churches, Cam and I helped build houses for homeless families in Juarez and Tijuana, Mexico. This experience inspired us to form a company and a team to go after this giant societal issue. Our team has over 19 decades of experience in business, engineering, and construction necessary to build outstanding products and to take this company globally. Friends, I'm Jim Scott, CEO and co-founder of StructureBot. We're shortening the builder's time to market 30% with eco-friendly 3D construction technology. We're tackling the accelerated framing and foundation costs, which grew to 32% total construction costs since 2009. We're altering the DNA of the construction process. We program a robot to print the house foundation and the wall system using our eco-friendly botcrete. Once the wall system is completed, the trades come in a new workflow and inspection cycle, going electric, plumbing, HVAC, then the roof install, and the interior and exterior completion all done in 45 days or so. Our construction technology compresses the build cycle up to 30%, thus lowering the builder's financing costs, and it also reduces expensive job site waste up to 98%, which results in faster housing completions in a more eco-friendly way. We're focused on industry innovators who see the opportunity to leapfrog the competition and others who just don't want to be left behind. They seek more affordability and a better ROI. Foundation subcontractors using the StructureBot system also benefit from lower costs and faster delivery of their services, thereby gaining additional capacity to serve more customers. Everyone in this market is an early stage company. Why that makes me laugh, I don't know, but it does. So here's the question: what makes us different and better? Let me demonstrate that.
Jenkins gave me the controls, an iPad.
So look, Leslie, that's a little skinny. Will you press the +1 real quick?
What you see is the human intervention required throughout the day at the largest player in the market. We eliminate that guesswork. So this is how we do it better. With AI, machine learning, and computer vision, our real-time material flow control system with botcrete produces desired results all day long with minimal to no human intervention. Everyone wants to know why now. If you watch the news, you know climate issues are forcing design and building code changes to improve resilience. And as you see on the US map, leading builders are expanding the use of 3D concrete printing of houses throughout the country. They're using this new technology and materials to speed up production and address climate change. This is one more market signal of the relevance of this new market. We're entering a growing market that never existed before. Data shows our beachhead to be at least 30 million over the next couple of years. Our go-to-market plan starts with completion of our Gen 2 printer and employing sustained related marketing, partnering with builders on pilot and production projects, scaling our biz dev team, working with industry associations, trade shows, and technical groups like the ICC. Our printer systems revenue model focuses on end users coupled with equipment lessors to fund and finalize a transaction. Botcrete is our recurring revenue model, where we use white label producers of dry and wet materials to gain at least a 50% margin on the job site. Our early stage traction includes a blast wall project for the Marine Corps, an awarded innovation housing grant, and a patent award. In addition, we have a letter of intent from a builder on 10 3D printed houses, and that program could go to over 100 units. We've looked at the numbers hard, and we believe that we can build a substantial business over the next 5 years. Our main objectives are to complete the Gen 2 printer, continue AI software development for the closed loop system, do more botcrete development, and to work projects with builders. So why award us? We believe we're working on a huge societal issue problem that's actively seeking a solution. We know for a fact that the government is saying that there's 13,000 houses needed per day through 2050. So that's why we're doing it. Well, thank you very much. We're on a mission to help builders bring much needed eco-friendly and resilient housing to market 30% faster.